Good morning, children. As we know that energy is everywhere, energy is around us. We are now going to discuss two types of energy that are inexhaustible energy. We have studied in social science that there are two categories of resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible. In that category, we can study about solar energy and wind energy. These two are natural resources which are inexhaustible. This type of energy are available everywhere. We get solar energy everywhere, sunlight everywhere around us. We get wind everywhere. These two type of natural resources can be used as energy, as we know that alternative energy is required as other resources are going less day by day. Coming to solar energy we know is readily available because it is from the sun. Sun gives us light and heat. That energy we get, the heat energy we get from it is readily available everywhere. And this is a source of energy. It is non-polluting. It doesn't pollute our environment. It is pollution free. It is available everywhere. And this energy, you have seen in your school that how we have solar panels. These panels are made to store, to tap the solar energy and store it and use it for generating electricity. All our electrical appliances in the school is run by solar panel. You all have seen it. So you know that solar energy can be used not only for drying our clothes. As you know that we keep our clothes after it has been washed in the open area for drying in the daylight, so that the sunlight absorbs the water which is in the clothes and the clothes are dried up. Not only for that, solar energy nowadays is used in the form of solar panel, where solar panels actually absorb the solar energy and keep it and use it for generating electricity. Solar panels are used for cooking food. You must have seen solar cooking panels which like it's a box type of thing where you keep your the vessels with all your dal, the pulses and the rice, and it can be cooked. Solar energy is used for running vehicles. Okay, so in this way solar energy is an alternative energy which is used nowadays. Coming to wind energy, wind is available everywhere, air is everywhere. We are getting air everywhere, it is widely distributed. It is clean, it is non-polluting, okay. It is, everywhere you get wind everywhere. It is widely distributed, children, and widely distributed. It is clean and it is non-polluting. It is not polluted. Yes, of course you will say air is polluted. That is because we are harming it. We are, giving out, discharging all the harmful gases and smoke. That is different, but it is non-polluting, it doesn't pollute, it is widely available, it is clean. And wind power, the power of the wind, when the storm blows you can feel the power, the energy is it is a conversion of wind energy to useful form such as producing electricity and by moving the turbines. You all have seen windmills. Windmills are used in open areas, like maybe in the desert areas or maybe in the high hills where these turbines are put and they keep on rotating due to the velocity of wind. The wind blows very hard over there, and it is because it is open area, they are not obstructed. Why in open areas or in the high rise, where there is mountains or hills, because their obstruction is not there, and they get the wind and the turbines move, and in this way they produce electricity. So it is a widely distributed, clean and non-polluting wind power. This conversion is done to wind energy into useful form to produce electricity. turbines, wind turbines, and you can see this type of fans you must have seen. So this is how solar energy and wind energy are the two forms of energy which can be used to generate electricity and for other purposes like moving vehicles or maybe cooking food and other things. Thank you, children.